Math lesson 6, graphing linear equations on a coordinate plane. We've done this kind of stuff before, just the only thing we haven't really done is actually putting them on a graph, like this. So now we're supposed to be solving these ones and not only putting them in here, but also putting them on a graph, and two of them, that way there is an intersection point. As in number 3, the point of intersection, where do they come together? That's what we're asking. So back, let's get that off. Here we go. Let's solve this first. So if we want to do it in our head, if you want to do it in your head, go for it. If you don't want to, that's fine. 0 divided by 2, anything divided by 0, 0 divided by any number is just 0. So 0 divided by 2 is 0, minus 4, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So I'll write them out here too. 0 divided by 2 minus 4 equals minus 4, or negative 4. And now 4 divided by 2 minus 4 equals 4 divided by 2 is 2, minus 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And now, negative 4 divided by 2 minus 4 equals, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. Now, and this number goes here, and this number goes here. Let's graph that on here. Negative 4 on the x-axis and on the y-axis. 0 and negative 4. Negative 4 is down 4, so it's right there. I think you have numbers. Yes, you do. You have numbers, so that should be fine. My graph doesn't. And now, negative 2 on the y, but 4 on the x. 4 this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then negative 2 right there. And then we have our last one, negative 4 and negative 6. Negative 4, which is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here. So, to figure out if you have these ones right, basically, put them on a graph like that, and then take a ruler and make sure that you can actually draw a straight line through all 3 of them. And if you can, I don't know if you can see this very well, but if I turn this projection off, you can see that I ended up going right through all 3 of them. And then you know that your answer is correct. Now, let's do the same thing with this one. Negative x, so negative 0, always keep that negative there, plus 5 equals y. So this would be negative 0 plus 5 equals 5. Negative 2 plus 5 equals negative 3. And then negative 4 plus 5 equals 1. So 5, negative 3, and 1. And I'm wondering if we did this correct. This is wrong. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3, not negative 3, I'm sorry. There we go. So let's graph this as well. 0 and 5. 0, and then on the y-axis, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 3, 2 on the x, which is here, and then 3 up, 1, 2, 3. Then 4 on the x. I hope you can see if I'm standing here in the center. 4 and 1. So that is now graphed right there, and we'll draw a line through them. Yep, that works. Whoops. There we go. And there we have it. This is what I would like to see in your new part. Now, we are done number 1 and number 2. Now let's go on to number 3, the last one of this new part. The point of intersection is the part where they come together, where this crossing is. That is right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 down. So we have, what is it? Number 3 is 6 on the x-axis and 1 down, so it's negative 1 on the y-axis. And this is what I would like to see on number 3. Go ahead and do the rest of the lesson on your own.